Hello, and welcome to Healthy Aviation. It's hot days right now, and I hope we are all enjoying the sun. Today I have a few tips about hydration. It is so easy to get dehydrated, especially on a hot summer day. And the dehydration, the lack of water, can do a number of nasty things to our body, anything from a light headache to complete incapacitation. We don't need that. An average person needs 2 to 3 liters of water per day, depending on your level of activity, on your size. And on a hot day, add an extra liter. Coffee does not count. Even though you can use water fountains and random cups of water to sip on it throughout the day, I found that for me it was hard to keep track of my water intake that way. And it's really easy to fall behind on what you need to drink. The simplest solution is have your water bottle available. It's not just a way to keep the water there when you need it. It's also an easy tracking tool. So for me, I need, at the very least, to fill this water bottle and empty it at least twice a day. Really simple. I personally also like to use the metal insulated water bottle. It keeps the water cool throughout the day, so even on a hot day, it's nice and refreshing. So, what's inside? It's great if you drink coffee and juices. These are all the drinks that have their benefits. Unfortunately, they do not count towards your water intake. They're almost foods. So we only count water, and pure drinking water is the best thing you can have. However, drinking a lot of water and only water on a hot day especially can wash out your electrolytes from the body. The solution is to have electrolyte drinks like Gatorade or amino sports drinks, workout drinks. And my tip would be do it half and half. Fill your bottle once with fresh water, finish it, have an electrolyte drink next, or Gatorade, finish that one, and then go back to fresh water, and so on. Again, as long as at the end of the day, you get your 2 to 3 liters, whatever your body requires. Stay hydrated and enjoy the sunshine.